Okay, so I have two 10-year-old boys who play outside all the time, which is amazing, except between them and their contractor dad, my carpets look awful. They drag in everything, even though they try to take off their shoes, they don't do it often. Things get thrown around, all kinds of sports equipment, all kinds of stuff. So I have lots of stains on my carpet. What I like to use to get that out is this, the pink stuff. So I use this not only on my carpet, but also on my dining room chairs, which are fabric. So when, I have little kids around, it's nice for the fingerprints and everything else, and I use it on that. So because of time, I went ahead and I put some on a stain here, but I only put it on part of the stain. So right here was where I put it. And then right over here is where I have it. So you can see how dark it is. Now I haven't even done anything with it and it's pretty much gone. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in and scrub it. I do leave it set in for about 10-15 minutes. So I kind of spray a bunch of spots and then I wait a minute and then I come through and I do that again. So in fact, I'll spray a little spot now while we wait, while I do this. Of course, I'm not gonna wait 10 or 15 minutes on this video, but you can see now the difference between this spot and this area. So it all came up. It's all the same stain. So it's all whatever that came from, it's all from there. So you'll see that it comes out as a foam and then it just, and then what I do is I let it dry and then I use my vacuum and I vacuum it up really quickly. It has a beautiful smell. It has like this grapefruit kind of smell. I think that's why it's called pink, because it's like pink grapefruit. But if you're looking for something, you can see, look at how great that is. Just even in those couple seconds that I did it right in here, the difference in the stain right away. And if I let it sit, it would be even easier, and that's just in seconds. Look at that. I mean, look at the difference in just seconds. So get yourself some of this if you have any stains or have kids like me who like to make my house really dirty. You're going to not be disappointed. This is for you.